sign, Acrobat sign for Teams. So here we've got Megan Bowen. She's a member of Contoso. You can see she's got a bunch of different teams on here. And one of the applications that she uses every day is Adobe Acrobat Sign. So she's already pinned this to her left-hand nav. I'm not going to show you how to add the app because I know you all know how to do that. But she's going to click right into it. And she's going to pull this up. Now, the first thing that you will notice, I hope, or not, because I find that as soon as you have it connected, it becomes seamless, is that she was not asked to sign in to this integration. Sign for Teams now supports single sign-on via the Azure Active Directory. It's clean and compliant. It supports OAuth. And it, as soon as she has connected that for the first time, she's never going to have to do that again. She can take an action herself to sign out if that's something she needs to do and sign back in. But once you're connected, it's something that's much, much easier for her to handle. So this opens up on, it's a personal tab. It's built natively in Teams. And really, it's a user-friendly homepage we put together that makes it easy for Megan to get a handle on her daily life with Sign, get information, and take the next action directly from this page. So the first thing she probably does is take a look up here where she can see what's in progress and that she's got a couple of things waiting for her. And to get a little more information on those, she can head down here to the summary section of the page where she can see all of the recent agreements that she's put together. She can see where they are. And if she's looking for something in particular, let's say that she's got hundreds of these and she wants to know specifically what's waiting for her, she can click over, say, to waiting for her. She can see what's in progress and, of course, what's completed. So this really kind of gives her a quick view of what's going on in her Sign account today. Now, back here in the middle of the screen, we give Megan easy access to the core Sign flows. So probably the most common is to request for signature. So to request for signature, she can either click on this blue button or she can click on this action card in the center of the page, and it will open up directly into a fully embedded send flow. So this is fully featured. It shows options based on how her Sign account is configured. In this case, she's going to send something to her coworker, Alex. And to do that, she can add a file either from her computer or from her library templates that she's already set up in Sign. Now, this is a test account, so it doesn't have many things set up. Most people will have a full suite of templates that are available to their users. In this case, she's going to choose this NDA. It's set up to handle as many signers as I put into it. And today, she's just going to have Alex. She's going to name this so that she can find it later. And she's going to send this out for signature. So she gets a confirmation that she sent this out for signature. She knows when. She knows that she has a couple of alert settings set up. You heard a ding in the background. I'm going to get to that in a minute. She can close out of this. Now, back onto her homepage, she can see, oh, there it showed up. She's got real-time addition on her list that she has something that she sent out to Alex Wilbur for signature. Now, if she wants to see more information on the things that she has going on, she can also go to Manage Agreements. Manage Agreements you can get to from the tab up here, from the center of the screen, or even from one of these if she wanted to open it. But we're going to click it from the action card. And then the Manage Agreements page is also a fully embedded page. This is access to Core Sign. And what that means is that she can look at those documents. In this case, she's got this one that we just sent to Alex, and she can take all of the actions that you might expect to be able to take if you were signed in to Sign on the web. She can set a reminder for that if she wants, because she wants to make sure that Alex is going to sign that by a specific time. She can open it, she can add notes. You can do a ton of stuff on the Manage page. It's quite powerful, actually. And this is a full reflection of her Sign account. Over in things that are waiting for her, she can open them or even sign them, which I'll demo in a moment. And then for things that are completed, so she has sent an NDA to Alex in the past, she can actually open these up and take a look at all of the details, including an audit report, so that she knows that she can download onto her hard drive so that she can see exactly what's happened in the history of that document. All right. So we're going to head back over here. In a moment, I'm going to show you what's going on with Alex, or we're going to show you signing the document. But for now, for Megan, we're going to head back to the home page. So she sent something out to Alex, but she also has some actions for herself. So under the waiting for you, we can see that she has a couple of things that are waiting for her to sign. She can select to sign those directly from here. She can click on this and it will open up into a full signing view, and she can sign directly from inside. I'm not going to actually do that because I want to show you that it opens from a couple of different places. So you saw that on the home page. You can do the same thing here from the manage page. She can select to sign. So you really kind of make it easy. There's a million different places. And this also surfaces, although I can't really show you right now on desktop, but this surfaces as well on her mobile device. And she also gets information in her activity stream. So if she has something that's waiting for her to sign, it will show up. It will show up here, and she can sign that as well. All right, so back over to her homepage. I'm going to actually switch my screen, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you over to Alex, over in Alex Wilbur. Alex is also a Teams member. And over here in the activity stream, you heard a ding earlier. He got a notice from Megan that he has something waiting for sign. And because we've been able to work closely with the Microsoft team, we've created notifications that allow you to take direct action. So he doesn't even have to open up sign. He can click to sign directly from here. So he's going to go ahead and complete that. I think he can complete it without filling out that date. So he has completed everything he needs to do. You heard another ding off in the distance there. This will take him to the manage page once he's done. So if we head back over to our friend Megan Bowen, has a new activity in her activity stream, and it tells her that Alex has completed signing. She can take a look at it. She can see what it looks like. She can download it, look at the audit report, do everything that she might want to do there. Okay. So this is a great feature. Those notifications happen on desktop, web, and mobile. Kind of keeps you up to date on what's happening in your Stein life. You can always see what's going on. When you have those activity notifications yourself, you can take action either directly from that feed, from the center of your page here, or if you have something more complicated to do, over from the manage page. So that is an overview of some of the core features. There's also some extras that we've added to make using the app sort of feel more full-featured overall. So you can see over here, Megan has her Adobe Acrobat sign information here. She can click to access tutorials, talk to support, understand more. And we even gave access to her deep into her Adobe account. So if there's something she's not sure about, she wants to set up the way her notifications need to be managed, or maybe she needs to look at her account settings to understand how her send is set up. She's able to access all of those things directly within her app. So she doesn't need to go back to the web. This can be integrated into her, all of the things that she's working on every day in Sign, and just makes her life easier. All right. All right. So you can do a bunch of basic stuff. Documents waiting for me isn't turned on in this account, but I can check status. I can show docs for me. There we go. Show docs for me. Thanks for a minute. And then it gives me kind of the same view that we show on the homepage, right? So in this case, she had two things that were waiting for her to sign. She can sign those from here. She can take them for download. So it gets you back into that same signing screen. Other things she could do, she could sign in, sign out, which isn't all that exciting here. One that I kind of like is check status, because then it wants to know what I'm checking the status of. In this case, I know she has a bunch of things that include the word NDA. And I get this nice little carousel of all the various NDAs that she has out right now, plus the ability to head to the Manage Tape page to get more.